Did you know that proteins are the building blocks of almost everything in your body? From movement and digestion to brain function, proteins play a role in nearly every process that keeps us alive and well. However, for proteins to perform at their best, they must fold into specific shapes, much like intricate origami. When proteins fold correctly, they can effectively power cellular activities. When they don't, it's linked to a range of challenges that can affect overall health. This is where NanoVi aims to make a difference. Our technology works by influencing the environment around proteins, specifically by energizing the water molecules surrounding them. Water plays a vital role in protein function, and NanoVi organizes and supports these molecules, encouraging proteins to fold optimally and promoting healthy cell activity. By assisting protein functions, NanoVi may also support mitochondrial efficiency, the powerhouse of our cells. When proteins and mitochondria function well, it can lead to better energy production, improved cellular performance, and an overall feeling of vitality and wellness. Many users report benefits such as enhanced recovery, improved physical performance, and clearer cognitive function after incorporating NanoVi sessions into their routines. Whether you're an athlete looking for a performance edge, recovering from a setback, or simply focused on health optimization, NanoVi supports wellness at a cellular level. Our approach is grounded in emerging science, with studies suggesting benefits like a potential increase in VO2 max, a factor associated with endurance and cardiovascular fitness, as well as indicators of mitochondrial support and metabolic health. So how does this all happen with just one device? It's a straightforward yet innovative concept. NanoVi enhances the environment around proteins, encouraging them to perform at their best. This may lead to improved wellness, quicker recovery, and an extended health span, helping you maintain your best self longer. If you're interested in a more vibrant, energized life, NanoVi is here to support your journey to optimal wellness. Because when your proteins perform better, you feel the difference.